Hey everyone, again it's Susan from Vintage Vagabond Vens. So we have part 2 of home products. So this is from 888 Lots. So, just to kind of, since I didn't say it in the last video, I just kind of want to let you guys know, if you're interested in reselling and are interested in 888 Lots, the first time you purchase from them, they will do half off of your order, your total order, which is phenomenal. And then afterwards, if you're purchasing lots, you can go ahead and negotiate the price. So it's really great. And make sure to remember, if there's anything that you see in these boxes that we unbox that you're interested in, email us. I'm going to have my mom tell you.
vintagevagabondvens@gmail.com.
And our email is also listed below as well. Make sure that you guys are subscribing, that we get updates. We're going to be doing more live sales, giveaways, a lot of fun stuff. Maybe some games in there. So definitely keep tuned to our page. And this way, if you guys subscribe, you're getting updates on that. Make sure you're liking, commenting, sharing. It's greatly appreciated. I want to thank you in advance. So we're going to open up these last 2 boxes from the home products. Again, the retail was $1,998.85, paid $276 total, so $69 per box. So we're going to go ahead and open up these last 2 boxes out of the home products. Let's see, we're all sealed up because they definitely do like to get these boxes nice and closed up for us. So we're going to peek in here. So you can see it is completely full. All right. I'm just going to start pulling out a couple things here for you. So we have Aquaboon, the filter cartridges. So there's 3 of those and they look like they're in great shape. So the sediment filters. Can covers, so you have a 6-piece set of can covers, all different sizes. And this is great for, it even says it right on the back, ideal for pet food cans because you don't usually feed them the whole can. So you can go ahead and cover that up, feed it to them next time instead of using plastic wrap. All right, so we have more filters. This is reverse osmosis compatible replacement element. So this is membrane solutions. So you can see we have a 2-pack of those filters. Those look like they're in good condition. Power Scrub Refill Microfiber Wave Sponge. Oh, those look like good sponges. Package has not been opened. $25 pieces of foam brushes. You can tell these have not been opened either. All right, so this is black vinyl roll. 12 1/8 inch by 10 feet black vinyl roll. And the instructions are on the reverse side. Paintbrushes. So we have a 25-piece Super Value brush pack. So go ahead and get to painting. What is this? Heat transfer silhouette. Do you know what this is?
Looks like some kind of transfer paper.
Heat transfer paper. Okay. Suave, smooth silhouettes.
It's like the makeup.
Designs. this is very interesting. So this is a color mixing guide. So you know what colors to mix together, so what color you will get by mixing those colors. Takes the guesswork out of mixing colors. That's nice. Some more foam brushes, 25 pieces. Oh, little Disney. Oh, it's a cute little Disney battery operated LED mini light set. So you have the little Mickey on there. If you can see that. Oh, that's really cute. And it has a little timer with it too. Ten liquid chalk markers. Non-toxic, water-based, and easy to wipe off. Charcoal 90-inch round tablecloth. All right, we got a beat up filter. He's a little smushed. So this is more ultra clear transfer tape. Oh my god, but it is transparent. Expressions vinyl, 12 by 30. So there's 2 of those. So we did have some of these from the first 2 boxes. So it is Minecraft window panels with the tie backs. And my son would love those. I'm going to say that again. He loves his Minecraft pajamas. This is some snowflake stickers, and it is a 6-pack on the roll. These are little acorn ornaments.
Pine cone.
Pine cone, acorn. Pine cone ornaments. So there's 2 12-packs in there. Just in time for Christmas. So it looks like there's a couple of these. 1, 2, 3. Multi-broom and tool holder. Oh, upside down. So actually I can use one of these. So you can put your brooms, mops, any type of tools on there. So we have 6 of those, or 6 of those, 3 of those. 1, 2, 3. Matt's not so good today. I think I was looking at the 6 holders on it. Some more transfer tape. A little photo cube, holds 6 photos. Although this looks like it's broken, because this will not hold any photos. Ooh, deluxe flannel sheet set. So this is lilac color, 1 fitted sheet, 1 flat sheet, and 1 cover, fitted cover. I don't see the size on that, but we'll find out the size. But it is lilac. Just in time for the cold weather. Photography crystal ball. Oh, that is nice. I'm going to just kind of pull that up. Maybe I am. I just want to pull out the little crystal ball.
Oh, I can see her face upside down.
Did anybody else see my face upside down? So that's really cool looking. If I can. So it is a photograph crystal ball.
Backwards.
Oh. Put the world into a ball, just not upside down. And these are 2 lint roller brushes. These are always great to have in your car too. Car, purse. So 2 lint roller brushes. Round soap dispensers. So I'm gonna go ahead and get one of these pulled out. So you have the soap dispensers. There's a set of 2, and it does have a replacement nozzle as well. You'll be able to see that in the box. And that box looks like it's in good condition as well. Oh, these are, it looks like replacement Roomba pieces, which actually, I'm going to take this box home because I need to replace my Roomba vents and brushes, and these are the exact fit for mine. I can tell by looking at it because these do get gunked up, and then you should be replacing your filters as well. It does look like there's a little bit of an indentation, but everything inside the box looks great. So there are more round soap dispensers, which I just showed you before. So that's another box of those. Oh, what is this? Looks like a little eagle. Oh, that's really nice. Bald eagle.
Is it brass? No.
No. What is it? Just like
Resin.
Resin. Thank you. So she helps me out. She's got to help me out. She knows the stuff. We got baggies. All right. I will open up one of these just in case you didn't get to watch the first part, the first 2 boxes of the home products. But it looks like we have a couple of these just in time for Christmas. So here we have the ornament hooks, so 300 count, and there's 2 boxes, so a total of 600. If you need those extra ornament hangers. And it looks like there's 2 more bags of those. And we got 1 more down here. So again, that's 600 count per bag. This is a window candle electric with daily timer function. It's got a brass base Christmas window candle with extra light. So I'm going to go ahead and get this open up because I have no idea what it looks like. So I have a question for everybody. When do you normally, if you do celebrate Christmas, when do you normally put up your Christmas tree? Is it before Thanksgiving, right after Thanksgiving, or
Christmas Eve?
Christmas Eve? So yes. Oh, these are nice. So I can actually use these. These are great to put in the window. So you have the brass bottom, and they are the electric candles that light up. And there's 4 of them total. So if you guys want to take a peek, that was box number 3, first box out of this second part. I'm going to go ahead and get these all switched out, and we're going to open up that last box. All right, so we are going on to our 4th final box of this second box today, but it's the last box in home products. So $69 per box. Again, it's from 888 Lots. Hope you guys are enjoying this. I'm definitely finding, I really like those candles out of the last box. So, you know, let me know in the comments below what you really liked out of the first box of this video, that is. All right, so let's get in this one. You wouldn't mind showing what we got in here? Oh, I already see some things I like. These look really nice. Oh. So these look like they're little, oh, they're ornaments. Look at these beautiful, they're like flower ornaments. And you can see they have the little hanger on the back. So they are little ornaments, soft. And they're white and sparkly. This would look so great on my Christmas tree. So it looks like we have 2 more of those. So a total of 3. So definitely bring out the Christmas tree. This is a micro solid throw. So it's, oh, that's really soft. Red throw, burgundy, I should say. Golden linens. That's extremely soft. Oh, an art smock. So my first art smock, you can see it's by Crayola in its packaging. Very cute. Three-pack storage set. Storage bins.
Hello.
Yes, you can use those. And they have little handles. Do you see the little nifty handles on the side? What is this? Oh, it's scented. I was like, I could smell something in here. All right, you guys gotta smell this. So smell it. Okay.
Chocolate.
No, it's vanilla scented.
Oh, okay.
So this is a candy chip. So it's like a chocolate chip candy cookie. Scented pillow. And it is vanilla scented. That's awesome. And it's got like the little, oh my God. That smells really, really good. So, you know, if you want to diet and you want to smell, my gosh, this would just make me more hungry for cookies. But this is really, really soft and it's cute. Nice, fluffy, vanilla scented chocolate chip cookie pillow. And we got some more of these ornaments. So there's a total of 4 of those. Love the tablecloth. So you can't go wrong with having tablecloths because you can easily just throw in the washer. But this is a black one, rectangular, 70 by 120 inches, black. A velour beach towel. So this one is 100% cotton, 30 by 60 inches towel. Where's that little metal sign we had with the beach on it? Take that in my beach towel. Gotta love these organizers. So this is the daily activity organizer. So you can Monday through Friday, and then you got the weekends. Or you can just put whatever you want in there to organize, and it has the little hanger. So these are really great. Extra soft, absorbent bath rugs. So it is sold as a set. They have the different pieces for in the bathroom, and it's 100% microfiber. Oh, that's really nice, black. That would match in my bathroom. I need new ones. So this is just one bed skirt, and it looks like it is navy blue, a navy blue bed skirt. I want to go back to the pillow. All right, we have curtain panels. So it is a window treatment. It's kind of like a light grayish color. All I smell is this. It smells so good. Oh, that's a pretty nice frame. So we have a picture frame, and it looks like it's a 5x7. It is 5x7 picture frame. Really nice. So it looks like we did get 2 of those. I'm not going to pull out the second one, but there's 2 of those. And this I'm not going to pull out because it looks like it's in its original packaging, so the seal hasn't been cut. So it is a water filter cartridge, golden ice pure, so universal, 10 inches by 2.5 filter for standard water filter systems. I gotta open this up, but it looks like this, from what it says, is Kurt Adler Cub Scout with flag ornament, and it is brand new. It says right on it. So let's pull that out and make sure it's accurate. Oh, this looks like it's collectible. And it's got a little flag. So Kurt S. Adler. And it is a Christmas ornament. That's in great condition. Looks like it's in its original. Oh, it does have a bag, but here, this way you can see it better. Boy Scouts of America. It's really cute. And last item in the box. So this is another frame. This is 11 by 11 inch square wood frame with white photo mat and real glass, golden state art. Smartphone, Instagram. Is this a Bluetooth? Should we open it?
Yeah, because we'll probably do it on the live sale.
Okay. Live sale item. So who's excited for the live sales? I know I am. Live sales are exciting. So I hope you guys got to see our last one and the upcoming one. So again, make sure you're subscribing. That way you get the updates on anything that we may do. Okay. So it just looks like it's a wooden frame. I don't know. Working together. We'll have to check that out, but it did say something about smartphone Instagram frame. So we'll check that out. Maybe you can link it up. I'm not quite sure how. It just looks like a standard, maybe if you print the size of the picture maybe, but we'll definitely, that'll be on our websites. All of our websites are listed below where we do resell the items. Keep subscribing to our page that we get the updates on our live sales. With the giveaways, all you need to do is like one of the videos and comment. The more you like and comment, the more entries you do get involved in. So, I appreciate you all watching us. I hope to see you next time, and I hope you have a great day.